Salt Spring Island. And then we're gonna try and camp at Cowichan Lake, Scuzz Falls. They're all loaded up. Here's Phil's bike picked up. Big orange King-Madooey there. Phil's checking emails, are you?
Oh, Diane, I let her know what we're up to.
Oh yeah. Okay, here we are. Phil's having fun in the tent. We're camping. We survived the night. No bears ate us. Yeah, we got a pretty good spot here with the trestle. Big ravine. Cowichan River here. Making coffee. Got our bear bag, bear trap up there. Bear bait. It's crazy. This trestle is so awesome. It's like, I don't know, 150 feet up. And very interesting. Sedimentary layer of rock.
Morning in Lake Cowichan. Just had pancakes, eggs, and bacon. Nice cup of coffee, and we've had our oatmeal back that away. And now we're heading down. We're heading south. So, beautiful trail and beautiful day. All good.
Good Trans-Canada Trail. Here's the...
We are here.
Where did we camp? Right where that Mary Canyon trestle area. What do they call it? Mary?
Marie.
Marie?
Yep.
We're gonna head to Shawnigan and cut through somewhere around there. Phil, what do you think of that climb, Phil?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
I wonder how many meters it actually is.
It's a nasty gravel climb, man.
Oh,
no.
Yeah, I mean, going
We're here. We did it. We did it!
Hey, baby.
We're animals. We
We're
should have
alive.
taken the ferry. Brentwood Ferry would have been